how to withdraw money from Prime Opinion. So in order to do this, first we will need to meet the minimum payout threshold, which is $5, but it can vary depending on your country. So here's how we do it. First, we will go to the rewards section, log into your account and navigate to rewards or withdraw, which should be found on the dashboard. Then we will choose our preferred payment method. So Prime Opinion offers various payout options such as PayPal, gift cards, or prepaid Visa cards. And we want to select our preferred payment method of payment. If you're using PayPal, make sure you have it linked to a valid account. Then we will request the withdrawal. So you will choose the request payout option, which is or similar to initiate the withdrawal. And then we just gotta wait for the payment. PayPal usually takes a few business days, and gift cards or prepaid cards may take longer to be processed and delivered. And the last step will be confirming the payment. So if you're using PayPal, check your PayPal account for the payment. For gift cards, you may receive a code via email, which can be then redeemed on the respective platform. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.